Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making catfish stew, guys. This is all the recipe I have to use. And I'm going to cook 7 pieces of catfish. And for the recipes, I'm going to use 5 pieces of red onions, 4 pieces of garlic, some of ginger, just a little bit like this, guys, and 2 pieces of kaffir leaves. I'm going to carry a little pieces. I'm going to carry all together, guys, with the garlic too, and the ginger too. Okay, right now I'm going to saute all the spices first. I'm going to put some oil on it. Okay, it's good enough. And the reason why I sauteed all the spices first, to make soup taste more better and delicious, guys. And the kaffir leaf, you don't have to cut it pieces, just put it like that. Saute it together with all spices, guys. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of white pepper, teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of turmeric, and teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of beef flavor, and half teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to saute a little bit more first, guys. Okay, right now I'm going to add 1 bar of water. I'm going to mix it a little bit first. And I'm going to add this spoon of sesame oil. Mix it a little bit again. And right now I'm going to cover it a little bit, waiting until boil, guys. Okay, already boiled right now. And now I'm going to put all the catfish in. Excuse me. And if you guys like salty, you can add more salt, guys, okay? To me, I don't like too salty, guys, so that's why I add only a little bit of salt. And right now I'm going to use 5 pieces of bell pepper. I'm going to carry small pieces, all of them, guys. Okay, all done. And right now I'm going to put all the bell pepper in the catfish. I'm going to cook it with the catfish. I'm going to put it all over first. And cover it and cook it for 15 minutes, guys. Okay, it's cooked already, guys. Okay, let me get some right now. And I'm going to eat it with the rice, guys. Let me get some soup too. I like a little bit of soup on my rice, guys. And I'm going to put lime a little bit. Let me try first. It's good. Inside is cooked perfectly, guys. The face is very juicy. Tastes so delicious, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And to someone just joined my channel, if you like my video, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.